All right, so what we're doing is we've got this 84 running. Tony says it's an 85. I got to check the title. I thought it was an 84, but anyway.
The VIN number, does it say?
It probably says on it. We'll look at it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go around and kind of point out all the things that need to be done that are sort of immediate, like the next few things. So in the engine compartment, we need to do something about the gauges right there.
Either move those ones inside or hook up the ones that are inside, because the ones inside, they have broken needles, I think.
Yeah.
Well, not for oil and temp, actually have needles on them still. Yeah. So we could probably hook those two up at least.
Yeah, we got the temp and the oil, so that's two of the ones that we could hook up. They got needles in the inside. So that's the first thing, is the gauges. Not the first thing, but one of the things, the gauges. We need to clip a bunch of zip ties and make some kind of permanent mounts for the wires, the coil wire, the plug wires.
Yep. Oh, yeah, because is it okay that they're kind of touching the headers? Well, they're not really, but...
They're not really, but we need to make sure they don't, so...
Because if they're not vibration, they'd probably settle.
Yep. Over here, we need a battery strap. This is good enough, but we need the piece here to come up and strap the battery down.
Yeah, it's not rusted too hard.
We've got it charging, and we've got this stuff hooked up, so the wiring on this, we've actually got power, so we can start doing the lights on this one. Actually, that's another thing, is we got the lights. The lights are there. That one's kind of messed up there on the right.
Is it
so
just mounted improperly?
Yeah, it's I don't want to even push on it until...
Oh no, it's in there. It's just mounted improperly.
Yeah, so we got to fix that. We do have the transmission vacuum line that we need to do, which is going down there. It goes down to the tranny on that side.
Oh, what about grounding the engine to the body?
We are grounded to the engine of the body down here.
Firewall one right there.
Yeah, we need to finish. We need to put that firewall strap on. That'll ground the cab. That'll make that better. We need to do the air cleaner. I think Tony did the... we need to get a timing light and time the motor. Put it actually in time. Yeah.
It's a light that...
Yeah, it's a timing light that we flashed out on the line that's on the harmonic balancer. We need to pull the plugs out and check them for being fouled. Tony thinks there's one of them that's fouled. We have this, what we thought was the choke wire, which is not the choke wire. We wired the choke up this way. So we got to find power to this thing. It's probably inside in the jumble.
Okay, that cable I think goes... Yep, it's this one right here.
Yeah. So it's one of the ones that are inside the cab. We got to find out, make sure it's right. We got to go through the fuse box. We got this garbage up here.
Oh yeah, that
we need to take this stuff down. We need to put the valance on the windshield wiper area. We need to align the hood a little bit better. It's close. It does shut.
Sure, it's not as close as we can get aside from adjusting these.
It could be as close as we could get it. We don't know yet, but I mean, we did do some adjustment. We've got the valance to put on there. We got the windshield wipers that we have to deal with.
At least the motor for the wipers work.
We got this tire that loses air constantly, so that's what we're going to work on tomorrow, though, is we're going to pull this tire off, and we're going to find the hole in it, and we're going to plug it, so Connor can get some time with doing a plug, because they're fun. That's fun doing a plug. It sucks. But anyway, that's one of the things there. We need the bushing for the for the shift lever down there next to the frame. So that's one of the things we need. It's
way down by that linkage.
There by the linkage. It goes into the frame on that side, but into the transmission on the other. So that needs a bushing. This one has a throttle cable. I don't think we're missing anything else up here. This radiator doesn't leak. The fan works. The power steering works. The alternator works. The water pump works. So that's good. Oh, we need to put in the gas tank vapor canister. Tony said just go ahead and put that in, so I'll take his word and we'll stick that down there. We have it.
Was that gonna?
Gotta figure out what this line is for. It's a vacuum line from inside the cab. Who knows what for, but
AC, I think.
maybe.
No.
I know it's all over there, but who knows? I don't know what the hell that is, but we'll figure it out. We need to check the wiring for the headlights up front here. Obviously a windshield, but that's not right now. So coming around here, we do have mirrors. That's good.
Fix the door.
Fix the
windows.
door card. Get the electrical working for the windows, because we do have power. I think it has something to do with this being like that. That's probably why that didn't work.
Because well, we're probably gonna have to replace the switches. And
No, they're probably fine.
yeah, that doesn't feel that bad. I mean, it's patinaed, but it's, you know.
We have two different bezels for this area here. We do need to check the lights. We already cleaned that out, so that's good.
Maybe take out all the carpeting.
We've got some extra wires here for other stuff. We need to do some vacuuming. The dash is something else. I don't know about that yet. We don't even have a radio, so it's not a vehicle yet.
Wait, where would the radio go?
Right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it goes right in there. I don't know what the hell this is. It's some sort of heat sink. We got to check that out.
Kind of a weird place for the radio. The passenger can't touch it.
We do have the seat, which is a problem, so we're gonna think about doing something with that. The seat belts actually work in this vehicle.
Does the other side subtract?
Yeah.
Oh. I never pulled on it, so I wouldn't know.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, it works just fine. How's the door card over there? It's not on. It's good, right?
Nope.
Well, got to fix that door card on the passenger.
Yep.
Here in the back, we've got a few missing bed bolts. We did stick on the bed. We've got 4 bolts. This is the one from the back right there, that hole.
They don't have nuts under them, so... Oh,
Right.
that one's out.
Yeah, I know. I've got it in my hand.
Oh, okay.
I took it out so I can go get more of them. I need 2 of them that are a 1/2 inch longer than this for these front 2. These 2 are good. Those 2 are good. We need 2 more for the back this size. So I need to get 2 1/2 inch longer with nuts and washers. This one here will go in there, and then we got 2 in the back here. And that's the 8 bolts that we need back here. I crawled underneath and looked at it. We do got to put the tailgate back on. This we're saving for later, this dent in the back, because that's not drastic, but we are going to put on the bumper again and hook up all the lights and get the lights working. So we're going to need some light stuff. That's going to be a couple things. We do need the light behind the cab. We kind of put it together and duct taped it just to keep the rain out. It's got some inserts that go into the cab that are from the inside.
Yep.
And so we got to take down the headliner to do that. So that's one of the things we want to do. This truck doesn't have a whole lot of rust. Oh, we need, we've got one of these insets that come in here, so we need another one of those. I think the one I have is for the other side, but it might be this side, but because they're left and right, because there's 2 gas tanks, so that's one part.
Hope it'd be for the other side, because the other side's the working tank we have right now.
Right, we want to get the working tank going because that's where it's at. Oh, we do need a switch for the fuel tanks to switch them. So that's another thing. What else does this truck need? I think that's probably a good starting point. Back up to the engine. Once we get the wiring, once we do the gauges, we'll work on making sure this thing's idling right. We do have to change the transmission fluid and filter down there, and that will get us that. And then obviously we've got the exhaust. We've got 3-inch collectors and no exhaust pipes, so we got to look up and see if we can just get a kit, what we want to do with that.
Or just take it to a shop and have them do it.
Or take it to a shop, drive it down there like a
like a hot rod.
Hot rod. Go get the ones from there.
As long as it's not more than 15 minutes away, so you don't die of CO2 poisoning.
Right. Oh yeah, we do have to exchange the water that we have in here for antifreeze. We'll probably do that along with the tire tomorrow. That way this thing will have antifreeze in it and not water.
Well, we sure we're ready to do that. We're not going to take anything out of the radiator.
We shouldn't need to, because it's not leaking and it works.
Okay.
So that should be fine. So that's about it for the 84 that we can come up with right now. And we'll see how that goes.